The BLUEAIR air purifier for large rooms uses a multi-stage system with a hybrid mechanical and electrostatic filter to quietly capture very fine particles like smoke, dust, and pollen. Its specialized odor control layer goes beyond basic carbon, breaking down stubborn cooking smells, pet odors, and traffic fumes, so the room actually smells neutral rather than perfumed. Coverage is impressive, with airflow engineered to circulate and clean the air in very spacious living areas, while still drawing modest electrical power. Built-in sensors and an automatic mode constantly watch air quality and adjust the fan for you, and the connected application plus voice control make it easy to monitor and tweak settings from anywhere in the home. The flat, furniture-like top and compact Scandinavian styling let it double as a side table, so it blends into a living room instead of looking like a bulky appliance. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the tool-free filter cartridge, usage-based replacement tracking, and smooth surfaces that wipe down quickly.